Hey guys, it's Abby in the garage, and today we're taking a look at the ColorSmart LED rock lights from RaceSport. These rock lights are really durable and you can mount them almost anywhere on your vehicle that you can think of. On this particular application, we have mounted them starting with this wheel well and going back. These are really cool because they have a 4th LED diode on the circuit board, which allows for you to have that really pure high power white. Also, the great thing about these is you can control everything from your smartphone. So let's take a look. In the app, you have a color wheel with options where you can choose what color you'd like your rock lights to be. And as you change your vehicle's look, these lights can change with you. Another cool thing with this app is that you can control the speed, strobe, fade, flash, and you can even sync some of your favorite songs. As we're taking a look at the installation, we would rate these a 6 out of 10, and it'll take you about a day to finish everything up. Just keep in mind, if you're working on a longer vehicle like this 450, you're going to need the extension harness that you can also get through RaceSport. These rock lights have a 1-year warranty. Thanks so much for watching our video. Today we took a look at the ColorSmart LED rock lights from RaceSport. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those below. Also check out that description below for product information and numbers, as well as a link to our dealer locator where you could find a dealer near you who would be more than happy to help you with the purchase or installation of this product. If you liked the video, be sure to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss when we post new videos. Thanks so much for watching again. This has been Performance Corner in the Garage.